I'm Aniya.Cierra and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to stretch your natural hair without heat. I've seen a lot of these videos, well actually I'm lying, I only seen like a couple, but people have been using heat and I don't use heat at all to stretch my curls. So I'm going to show y'all what I like to do, my little tricks on how I stretch my curls. I washed my hair like 2 days ago and defined it, but I never stretched my curls, so it looks like, you know, just like kind of all over the place and just uneven. The things you need to stretch your curls without heat is just a bunch of hair ties. I have two ways I like to stretch my curls, both without heat. The first way I like to stretch my curls, this is like my easy way to stretch my curls if I don't want them stretched too much, but like a little bit to keep them defined. They're still going to be defined either way. But to keep them like super defined, this is the first way I like to do them. I like to part my hair all the way down the middle and then take my one side and pull it. And then whatever way I like to wear my hair, I like to wear my hair down like this, just the middle part down. So I would take my hair and pull it, like twist it into a bun. So I want my hair to lay flat and down. So I'm going to twist it the way I want my curls to lay. So if you twist it this way, your curls will literally go backwards, like this way. So I'm going to twist it this way, frontwards, so that my curls can like come to the front more. And then wrap it in a bun. And then put a hair tie just around the bun so it doesn't come out. Okay, and for the second way, so I'm going to leave it like this and I'm going to show you the second way on this side of my hair. So for the second way I like to stretch my curls is you can part your hair in the more section, but I don't like to do that. I'm pretty sure I'm about to look crazy right now. But I take this half of my hair, take my hair ties, like keep sectioning and taking hair ties and keep putting further and further down your ponytail. So like while you're pulling, pull your ponytail a little bit and then keep putting hair ties so that your curls will be stretched. So yeah, I look crazy, but your curls really will be stretched after you take these out. Usually I stretch my hair at night, like before I go to sleep. Like I'll wrap it up and put my scarf on like this so that my hair can like stay stretched. Or I'll put it in two buns. Either way, this is how I go to sleep at night. People will think that if you put your hair in a bun, it'll like crease and stuff, but like your hair is already curly, so it's already creased, so it doesn't really matter about that. And for these, your hair does get a little like indent in it, but like it doesn't matter, your hair is curly, it's already got indents in it. But I'm going to leave these in for like 10 minutes and then come back to you guys and show you what my hair actually looks like after it's stretched. Okay, so it's been a good 10 minutes since my hair has been in this little bun and whatever you want to call this. So I'm going to take my bun down first. Okay, so I can tell already that from the bun my hair is already stretched some, because in the beginning of this video, this piece, like all this was like up here. I'm about to take this down. If y'all comment below what hair stretching method of mine do you like better. Also tell me if you used any of these methods to stretch your hair. Really want your hair stretched like you want bling, then this is a better stretching method. But if you don't mind shrinkage and you like your shrinkage but you just want to stretch a little bit, then you can try the bun method and it'll work just fine. But I'm about to take this out. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can tell, but both of these stretching methods work really well. Before, my hair was way more shrunken than this. The stretching method kind of loosened the curls a little bit and made them like drop down some. If you're like me and you don't want to use heat on your hair, but you also want to stretch your hair a little, then use my stretching method. Don't forget to give this video a like, turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I upload, and also subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!